Oh shit, he's going fly. Oh nope.
Oh, he made it.
That one smooth.
That was perfect.
I give it a 7. Think you throw a front flip in that? Yeah, like off of it? Like with no transfer?